Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix your phone when you forget your lock screen password. So after multiple failed attempts, you can enter the Google Google account and log into your Google account. But I know that it's not always working, so let's not focus on that. I do recommend to do a factory reset of your phone. Yes, you will lose all your data that you have stored on your phone, all applications or messages that are saved locally, all applications, as I said, photos, videos, data, files. The only thing that won't be deleted is your accounts. I mean, you will be logged out from your accounts, but they won't be deleted themselves. You'll just have to log in, put them back again. You'll just have a phone like you have bought it brand new. And how to do that when you don't have the access to the to this screen, like to the home screen. How I don't have the access to my phone. So I do recommend to enter the recovery mode. To enter the recovery mode, at first turn off your phone by clicking the volume up and side button, tap power off and power off. Now wait 10 seconds maybe until your phone will shut down completely, and then after this time hold the power button and volume up button until you see the owner logo here, and when you see it, hold only the volume up, so lower the side button, like that. I'm holding, wait a moment, now I'm holding two buttons. I see owner logo, I lower the side button, and I know I'm holding now only the volume up button. Now we have to hold it, hold. Here, as you can see, Magic OS, please see the main screen. And now we have to unfold our phone. Here, as you can see, we have Magic OS. Our phone is kind of not centered, but yeah. Here, now we have to go with the volume down button to clear data and click the power button on clear data. Here, navigate to the factory reset. Here you have to click the power button on the factory reset and it will be automatically done. Then you will be redirected to the recovery mode back again. You will see this menu. Click here restart and you'll be navigated here to your phone to set up. To know how to set up your phone, check our channel, but I think that you know how to set up your phone, so I think you don't have to. But of course you won't have the pin lock code, you won't have everything, you can just set up your phone like it's brand new. But if you don't want to lose your data, you have multiple options here. You can contact the brand support, the owner support, control center for account recovery options. So you can call them online, contact them online, or just go to the place like the local service or authorized service, of course, and you have to have with your proof of ownership of your phone, so maybe proof of purchase or something like that. You have to just prove that this phone is yours and you didn't steal this phone. This is very important when leaving your phone in the authorized service. It's because they might accuse you of the stealing the phone, and we don't want that. So we have three options: factory reset, contact online the brand, the owner support for account recovery options, or visit authorized service center with proof of ownership. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's really important to us, and yes. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!